Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size, mass, and proximity to the Sun. However, despite these similarities, Venus has a vastly different environment, making it one of the most extreme places in the solar system. Physical characteristics. Venus has a diameter of about 12,104 kilometers, which is roughly 95% the diameter of Earth. Its mass is about 81.5% of Earth's, making it the closest in size and composition to our planet. The surface of Venus is rocky, with vast plains, towering mountains, and thousands of large volcanoes, many of which are believed to be potentially active. Atmosphere and climate. The atmosphere of Venus is thick and toxic, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, about 96.5%, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This dense atmosphere creates an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. Its average surface temperature is around 467 degrees Celsius, 872 degrees Fahrenheit, which is even hotter than Mercury, despite Mercury being closer to the Sun. The surface pressure on Venus is approximately 92 times greater than Earth's, equivalent to the pressure found about 900 meters underwater on Earth. The thick clouds that shroud Venus reflect much of the sunlight that reaches the planet, giving it a bright appearance in our sky. Venus is often visible shortly before sunrise or just after sunset, earning it the nicknames morning star and evening star. Surface and geology. Venus's surface is mostly covered with volcanic features, suggesting that volcanic activity plays a major role in reshaping its landscape. The planet has numerous large volcanic formations and evidence of lava flows. Radar imaging has revealed features called coronae, which are ring-like structures formed by volcanic activity. Unlike Earth, Venus lacks tectonic plate movements, but it is believed that the planet's crust periodically undergoes massive resurfacing due to internal heat buildup, rotation, and orbit. Venus has an unusual rotation. It spins in the opposite direction to most planets in the solar system, a movement known as retrograde rotation. This means the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Additionally, Venus has an extremely slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. In comparison, its orbit around the Sun is faster, taking only about 225 Earth days. Thus, a day on Venus, a full rotation, is longer than a year on Venus, one complete orbit around the Sun. Exploration and studies. Venus has been a major target for space exploration due to its proximity and interesting characteristics. Early space missions by NASA and the Soviet Union, such as the Mariner and Venera programs, provided the first close-up images and data about the planet. The Soviet Venera missions in the 1970s and 1980s were the first to successfully land on Venus and transmit data from the surface, although they only survived for a short time due to the extreme conditions. More recent missions like ESA's Venus Express and NASA's Pioneer Venus focused on studying its atmosphere and weather patterns. Future missions planned by NASA and other space agencies aim to explore Venus's climate, geological activity, and the possibility of past liquid water. Significance. Venus serves as a stark reminder of how similar planets can evolve in drastically different ways. Studying Venus helps scientists understand more about planetary formation and climate, including the greenhouse effect, which has implications for studying Earth's own climate and atmospheric changes.